because you're going to be talking to them about what they do now, their experience. Oh, well, I manage a team. How big's a team? 12 people or whatever. And I'd sit on that, I'd park it. And then when I come to flip them, my question would be, okay, so we're going to do all these wonderful things for you. I'm going to go out into the market. I'm going to put you into this role that I've already mentioned and whatever you've agreed. So you're summarizing what you're going to do. And then you say, look, you mentioned earlier about you've got X amount of people in your team that you're responsible for. What happens when someone hands their notice in? What's the recruitment process there? And it's just a little bit more of a gentle way in rather than like slam the brakes on. Okay, yeah, finished with you as a candidate. Now I'm going to speak to you like a client. It's less obvious. And the reason why I say about summarizing what you're going to do for them is you're using the rule of reciprocity where you're saying, I'm going to do all these wonderful things for you. All I want in return is to understand what your recruitment process is. And that could lead to you working with me. But, the least they can do is give you something in return. Like, tell me about what happens when someone hands a notice in.
Yeah,